I am a Maniraptoran theropod. I am not a bird, but it's harder to tell the difference between us and the birds anymore. I have these long feathers on my arms, my legs, and my tail. In birds, these are called flight feathers. But it turns out that they can also help you glide, perhaps help in courtship, and perhaps in a mid-air jump give you an additional ability to steer. So even though I can't fly, these flat feathers nevertheless are useful. I have many other traits which the first birds would also possess, such as a long arm and hand, a very unusual semicircular bone of my wrist, which makes my wrist distinct, but is also a prominent bone in the wrists of the early birds. So perhaps I might be able to glide. And when you look at my foot, my little toe is smaller and more retroverted, not so much as the birds where it will allow them to perch in trees, but more than other theropods nonetheless. And so with these flat feathers and other modifications, we Maniraptoran theropods are getting to look more and more like birds. Yes. I am one of the dromaeosaurs in a group called Paraves. This group contains not only we dromaeosaur dinosaurs, yes, but then also the birds. So we are the theropod dinosaurs most closely related to birds, yes. And it's hard to tell us apart. There have been some fossils which were originally classified as birds, which are now known to be dinosaurs in our group. It's hard to distinguish between a bird-like dinosaur and a dinosaur-like bird. Now, not only did many of us have feathers, yes, and flight feathers, yes, but we also had arguably the ability to glide or perhaps even fly weakly. Our little toe, our hallux, is more reversed, indicating that some of us were depending more on a life in trees. Our hands and arms were longer, bringing them closer to the status of a wing, yes. And so we are the dinosaurs which are most closely related to birds. In fact, it's hard to tell the difference between us and the first birds.